Right, I was for me church will be a MOBia Quaba at the Baba Grace TV. So this is a Chilean Ponyanko Pantum. Obia, Yabusia, and there, baby, it's name, Achumaya. Ya, a ben Buakwa, a ben Santasi, Quadaso, and then Kutual Duaka. Now, a 10 minutes drive from Sofo Live, Kumasi. If you feel me, Jenny Muya, Abusia, if ye yet ton. Yes, if you am Jenny Mui, come a fefe, if ye yet ton. Na a 3 bedroom house it sounds so can a master bedroom. I mean, now be a 4 bedroom house. Afenye no kwa summer hat kama ewa ha spacious environment. Bibia unya bia ye mafie no. Ebi o ha se ya Nyankopon twedi ampantom wo mo eton. Na oto ne de hwe ase ya a new site nso. Ya had the boko dede ne choka wati mo aka me bia ni ha. Dede ne choka bia ni ha. Enti wo hwe a obi a hye ne fie ya obi adwen na ho. Dodo no a ato asi awie. Ɛna mpo mo nsie kora no a ɔmo bu so yɛ adwuma. Ti wotu sɛ pau ne yɛ carpenter for kɛ kan yɛ mabɔ mo hɔ a. Ne nyinaa yɛ nsiesie ahodoɔ ya ɛkɔ so. Da busia me bedu a me ho adwiri me ho. Enti mɛsrɛ sɛ ka me ho na deɛ yɛnwura fie no ankasa mu. Na yɛne wɔn yɛ wɔ ha nto ɔbo ase nkyerɛkyerɛ mu nkyɛn ne yɛnten sɛ mo ase yie. Esan sɛ ɛfɛ paa very spacious. So that is the entry to the house. Yɛnwura mo okay. Yeah, bra okay. Yɛnwura mo ha. Enti efie no mu ne yɛwura no. Very spacious. Space ni bi wo wa chire wo nyina ne ade garage e wa ha bibia na de you don't be think kono ma to wa se chichi ma che but nice am heart nso na wa se ultimate na se then ye wo ji wa ho me na kakaka wo bobble drinks bi na bibia e hye ye di ma ti ka me ho ho sa bre na ye me wo mo ha ne no to mbo asehwe komo na bibia enko so asomdwe kwan so. Na me my opinion na ja on fire tun pass kakra wa ha say quick one na bibia ne boko eja.
Yes, sir.
Apple boko dey
Boko, that's it.
oba dey atom so ho ye pa. Amen. Personal din dey say what that.
Me Isaac Dawuni.
Oh, okay. What's be Isaac? Any name from? Okay. Of Isaac. Yate se fie ye ton. Tine by Grace TV any ebusu afọ nya do fie na ba say ye be hwe se dey astie. Eni o me wo ha afei obi a opa bi a opa to no tempo on fast. No about it. Say ha adwen na o dey be talk kakra.
Ene yonko
ho. Okay, so let's go on a tour. Fidi Gadochi, how's that neighbor here? Fidi Gadochi. Very nice pa. Okay, so
nti ahane portrait eda animu.
Okay, it means na kama.
Yeah.
Okay.
Na yewura hall.
Okay.
Nti this is hall. I hall ni dining area.
How a hall
and a dining area on top. Then we come to the master bedroom.
Okay.
Nti master bedroom nini. There's the bedroom.
Okay.
Bedroom nini. Then na bedroom na uba hanom nini toilet and bath.
Wow.
Nti ha closet. Closet.
Okay.
Ube kipi wonyama with the wardrobe besha and then this is the toilet and bath.
Oh, okay.
Very spacious.
Wow.
Yeah, very spacious toilet and bath.
Wow.
Na other 3 bedrooms no the other side.
Okay. Any check one so okay. Yes, it was very spacious and the master bedroom require one master bedroom no. So they has this for come and you check all hard. I mean dining area. Yes, this is a hall and this is a dining area. Must have table come on now or door just say
and around so corridor at the back to the other side of the house. Into which I know guest washroom.
Oh, okay.
There's a guest washroom.
Okay, it's in your hall.
Yeah. Then the garage is here.
Garage no fine.
Garage nini. There's the garage. There's the garage.
Okay.
In the entrance to garage nina one is here na. There's the inside of the garage.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. See, yentu asuna ejam fa yenchine mu kakra.
Nti oba hanuma yending can call one of the bedrooms.
Okay.
Nti one bedroom ni Here is a self-contained bedroom.
Okay.
This is the bedroom.
This is the bedroom.
This is the toilet and bath.
Wow. Okay. So now we know Pia come Pia
No, Debbie.
Oh, pim. Debbie. Wow.
And that's one of the bedrooms.
Okay.
And this is the second bedroom.
Okay.
Which is also self-contained.
Okay. So it's also toilet and bath.
Yeah, and also toilet and bath.
Second bedroom in here, the toilet and bath.
Yeah, that's the second bedroom. Toilet and bath.
Okay. See, okay, the second bedroom now I'm on phone. Obviously, I have to say, yeah. I mean, I'm from us, I bought a second bedroom.
That's the second.
More baby and sound or father, we will go behind the ocean.
Yeah.
Oh, Jane, young call the other side. Now, we have mini captain coming out 20 years.
And this is the third bedroom, but we're quite a bit to
okay.
In the third bedroom.
Yeah, and no problem. One will say the same thing now.
Oh, okay.
And we're going to be a kid.
Okay.
And we'll do all of it.
Yeah. And this is the third bedroom.
Okay.
The third bedroom.
Okay.
And our kitchen is a very spacious kitchen. Very, very spacious.
Okay.
Kitchen.
Wow.
And then there's a kitchen, very spacious kitchen. And then a storeroom.
Kitchen. Wow. Kitchen. And a storeroom. So.
And a storeroom.
Okay.
And a storeroom.
Wow. Okay. Wow.
And a storeroom.
Okay.
And then there's another.
Okay.
There's another small room.
Okay.
I mean, it can be used as a study for the kid. And I would think that office.
Wow.
In the house, whatever you want to use it for. And it's a small room.
Okay.
But storeroom needed and only kitchen. No baby say na adena mo fix it doors mo we yeah na usually no obi ho no ma ne finishing no obeba no bia o say nka me a ka me ni say e bia nka door type we na nka me issue obi okra obewie ni kura no obo nse na wasa tutu doors na za bo very good. Inti this is the standard that ye jan inti auto then so the
oh, okay. Wow. So, bedrooms need four bedrooms. Master bedroom. And the all three are with toilet and bath.
But self-contained.
Self-contained as well. Okay. Rooms. Okay. Now, you make me
yes, it makes me after a bontina.
Wow, this is very, very nice. I mean, this is very, very nice. Very, very interesting.
Until there's a borehole here. Borehole.
Oh, okay. This is so the problem.
Yeah, borehole.
Okay.
And this is the entrance to the garage.
Okay, entrance. Wow.
And car entrance in your door.
And so
then you pass the other side. And this is the side other view of the house.
Okay. So let's see the other view of the house. Okay. Yeah. Come up,
and the exit door from the kitchen. In say, be a there's the exit door.
Door handle in the north for happy. Now, for no one change here. We are no ground for I mean, yes, you may penny be a kind of wine. You may penny be a yes, you trust for nothing. Wow, I was on for and that's a bit all.
And it is the poly tank.
Okay.
Yeah, the water tank.
So be okay. Okay. Be any problem how. And can you now so 24/7. So any problem. I mean, the piao be on kwada be go to the here be at some point. Okay. So now you finishing your name no. One who's a finishing as be finishing your name come. O pass no person or your design be no be any come. So they wow pen. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Very spacious, very spacious, very, very spacious. Just also baby how about when they be a dino and who ground won't mean space beyond that why just say they be an out. Space wow. Baby up is what be opposite all the up crazy and not sensitive to home. I should have no swear.
Then I had yeah, summer hat.
Okay. You bet me
rest. You bet me akọ.
Okay.
Then you head down now.
You shut down how you are near front.
Inti down no so say na down it.
Okay.
Inti no so ye one bedroom self-contained.
Oh, okay.
Inti you have a petition high. The toilet and bath in the shimo. Inti be petition high. Na hana kitchenette, like a small kitchen.
Okay.
Then this is the bedroom.
That's an open so
yes. That's the original plan.
No, okay.
But because you maybe an independent of the other plan for it.
Wow.
Well, you know, converted there into a store.
Okay.
Wow. But the original plan, about became see, not do other, not a kitchenette, then the toilet and bath.
Wow. Very serious. Now, it's young for some.
Wow.
Now, hey, I say more. I was about 10 minutes drive from Sofalai. What's your trend here? It's your first. I'm going to one time. Okay. If you read it, just say, oh, yeah, me how many couple and can they make kind scam woman? I'm at all.
This is a very specious.
Wow. Huh. Wow. Just look at that. I mean, look at how spacious this. And I'm saying, come on. What's here? Yeah, oh, baby, over so your view of, I mean, natural environment. Oh, baby,
that's the district capital. Chadie, baby, a police.
Baby, a police. Okay, Chadie. Come on, zoom, come on,
yes,
why you win? I was yeah, you can work against you now. Chadie. The zoom, yes.
Okay, this side and so that is Akusumu. So it's the corner so
the front is Akusumu.
Akusumu Road, Nedahono.
Okay. Wow.
From Akusumu, na oko Petia, Dakon, na Wesi, Hemai, then Santasi. Between Afar and Messi Santasi.
Yeah, Santasi.
Yes, Santasi. Obasi Road Santasi.
Oh, okay. That's an I have to the crowd work and that
centrally located.
Wontumi fa owura baby. Wow.
Ofa the same so Kwamai na one from Kwamai na ko Atramade. Atramade na konzima agrege
Kenzima na what yes
na
that's oh, okay. And I wash hands well, even though a new site. But Obia yes.
Oh yeah.
It's hanya baby.
Very nice atmosphere.
Yeah,
building.
Okay. Onwenya my ekwa so.
Yeah. We apartment obi.
This year.
Yeah.
Okay. It says here say bi obi hwe na ni agye. Dan hu no pese bia otu ana ma wa hu nsem to say other ma.
We need the honestly per agent bia.
Okay.
Na wabakase say this we know I mean pricing is very good. Yeah, and yet you know so be reach out on 0249
okay
165 994.
Okay.
You know our
0249
165 994.
Okay.
Na wafre ni aba betro. Na ye no adinkuta. Ye pe agent bia insani. Then we deal with you directly. We bet to me now what.
Wow. Yeah. Now a home character seminar the rules na governor will be some character seminar bia you okay.
Bia you okay. Your building permit.
Okay.
Site plan, allocation, bia okay.
Okay. Matia. And you work chat for nothing.
Oh, the make the chat one say this is a very nice property.
Very nice. I mean, you know, someone has to go
and nya fe na ukwakucha blocks na mason na mba na carpenter easy with the it's already there say switchy purpose then you are welcome.
Thank you. Okay. So phone number to give you my order.
0249 165 994.
Okay.
0249 165 994.
Okay. Matia, that's a problem. Achuma yabe.
Tumayabi.
Yeah, ben Santasi.
Ben Santasi.
Buakwa, I'm just say Buakwa so ben.
Yeah, Buakwa this side. Ofa Buakwa
Oh, okay.
this side Buakwa na hunu.
Yeah, ni mu
Yeah, the chiropa no. Ho no Buakwa na hunu.
Wow. Oh, okay. It's a good go on a Buakwa kan.
Buakwa kan. Wo ni sin so ani sin so Thanos. Ni say.
Wow.
Ni say ni Thanos.
Thanos. Wow. Okay.
Ana wo ni sin so a ho no ye Kwamai.
Okay. 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 Matia, ti ina ye kwa example. Yes, say, trust some kan o se die oni ehu. E die was smart. E na di ho dance. Na no kure ne se ni amaba be hu dan. Abehu se je sitie. Abehu frama e bo wa ha. Ene asumdie wa because wetimi akotena be bi. Asumdie just we onya bi da e wi ase akwawe. Ade akura ansa na kromuka fon so kwa na wanya. But me di cancer kwa mo from the can be investigation kakawa. Ya mbusebusa obi ase a kwabena ade o pese o pass ase atona o pedensi wa bla ko me kam so me pass ase wa na hat say. Enti bi boy am kan am say my din am nkasa enya me wanwa because me nim say no kwe na wo kan. Ti mesre say enya ofe na wo koto ase na langa de won sense nkwa ye ne wanya na afi manso da bi we de nyame atom ya pejesi odada. Ya kasa all the finishing touches kakra be kan the person any bia waye ti me sro for number no etwagu afidi nas na officer of friends kasa bia wona be kan yesa mo fan to your friends of na all money waka di for number no ti bia so a by grace with me and friend ya chechu na me am connect to am eja but o number na etwagu di for mo na o kasa direct na bibia nkoyi and for me say nya be ya dom ama wa for na to efie a e be yin sha di amount say nyame kan ba mu say bia do na be si be ma otumi no dis ebia na fia obetoi na obetina me e be ma otumi no dis na afia bia kwan bia ma e de wa ko wisra ene ko jam ti hodin wo kwa me hodin ni wankede ya jame kan ska ma hodin ni ho oba meji da ma tse eme aya sa uzan fo meji da ma tse esa kede ya me kan ska na so me tumbo to mu a ebia safo ane kwanse mfo ane enti me so wa nyame ado awon won bra ne frɛ na man sisi a na bibia ye ka me da so je brand na hwɛ me di kwa na so ko so a na hwɛ by grace tv sans ye on pa bebre enso de ma be pa me bi sia nyame ka makra bye bye.